Now we got an LG fridge, evaporator, fan motor. Go ahead and unplug the refrigerator. Can't see that. Unplug. Okay. Your model number, serial number. Take the shelf out. There's no screws. Unhook that. Get the ice maker out. I'll be right back. Oh, you're not gonna make it. It's not gonna make it. Need an extension. All right, there's a screwdriver on you. On both sides. Come on, you went back in. Oh, I almost forgot. There's a screw down here. Did that last time. Oopsies. Well, there's one screw up there. One screw over there. Stop moving on the bridge. Give me a second, I'm gonna pull this off. I'm gonna lose my bulb. This little plate comes off too. Make it a little easier. This is what the plug looks like. It's hard to see when you're in there, but now I ordered the wrong part. So I already opened it up and then didn't put it back together. Put it back together. So it's probably a better way to do this, but there's 2 screws here, 2 screws here, and then it sticks up on there. Take those screws out and pull it out. Here's that. That'll come off with those 2 screws. Here it comes. You just have to cut that zip tie, probably put another one on there. Oh, new motor, old motor. Some of our piece comes off. Boom. Sorry. It sticks back in there. Make sure that the plastic piece right there, make sure the wire goes around it. Let's go back on. Come on. So, this one's a lot better. We're just gonna put it all back together. For me, it's easier when you're putting it back on. Go ahead and get these on where the screws go. Especially if you're holding the phone. Just pull that back. Be careful not to break it. It's plastic. It's the cheap stuff. Boom. Throw our screws back in. We got to see, when you're pulling it out, it seems a little hard, but it's because they have these little nubs that lock it down when you put it back in. Stick it back down. And pop it back in. Getting the water in first. Get the water spout in first. Get this in first. So when we have that opening right there, we can line it up in a second. Okay. Let's do it like this. You can see it. Push it up, move it over. Go ahead and get this guy back out if you can. Yep, just gonna put these screws in, nice make it back in, and I'll plug it in and see if it works. Before. After.